Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Ouna. If it's your first time stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, okay? Today I'll be teaching you how to do highlighting and contouring. So I'll first go in with my foundation, classic foundation in the shade CF04, and I'll be using my damp foundation brush to apply my foundation all over my face. As you can see, I'm not rubbing, I'm just tapping the products on my face. So after applying the foundation all over my face, I'm just going to use my face powder from Iman to set my foundation. So you want to make sure you set your foundation, especially if your foundation is not matte, okay, so that your foundation can stay in place. So I'm just using my powder brush to apply the powder all over my face. For highlighting, I'll just go in with my Vianki Beauty Pro Concealer in the shade F813 to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, under my nose, and my chin. So I'll be using my beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, to blend all the products. So you want to make sure that your beauty blender is damp for easy blending. So how I do it is I just soak my beauty blender in a bowl of water, and then I squeeze out the excess water from the beauty blender. For contouring, I'm going to be using my Glassy Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my hairline, under my cheekbones, and my nose. So I'll still go in with my damp beauty blender and blend everything. So to set my highlights, I'll be going with my classic face definer in the shade CM01, and I'll be using the setting powder there to set all the places that I highlighted with my concealer. So you don't have to take this much setting powder. And to set my contour, I'll still go in with the same face definer to set all the places I contoured. So starting from under my cheekbones, I'll be going from the top of my ear, and I'll be going in circular motion. So you want to do this step if you want your cheekbones to pop. So for my nose, I'm just using my fluffy brush. It's angled. Yeah, I'll just use it to contour my nose or to set my contour. Yeah, starting from under my eyebrows. So I'm just dusting off the excess powder on my face. Yeah, just dust everything off, and after that you are done. You can use your bronzer, and then you can use your finishing spray or your setting spray to just set all the makeup in. Yeah, to make all the powder to go into your skin. Alright, so that's all. about your highlighting and contouring. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section below. All right, bye.